Hello, I'm Mrs. Freeze, and I'll be your Algebra 2 teacher this year. Don't tell your other teachers, but I think this will be your most important class of the year. Why, you might wonder? Well, because it is math, and math is what teaches us how to problem solve, and we need good problem solvers in this world. Math teaches us how to critically examine information so we don't just believe everything we're told, and we need people who can think through things well in this world. And math teaches us how to reason and think about situations we don't understand, but it builds the perseverance in us to stick with something that we don't understand long enough to find a solution. And that's really important. So now you might be wondering, what exactly are we going to study in Algebra 2? Well, in Algebra 2, we are going to look at relationships that might not follow a linear pattern or a quadratic pattern like you saw in middle school math or in Algebra 1. There are lots of ways that things can relate to each other, and we're going to examine lots of different ways that we can see those relationships visually and understand the world around us. Sometimes we observe something in the world around us, and that leads us into the math. Sometimes we know something mathematical, and then we discover later how to apply it in the world. And sometimes the math that we're learning now doesn't seem like it's real applicable until you get to later things that are coming. And we'll see all three of those aspects this year in Algebra 2. People always wonder, is this class going to be hard? And I'll just answer that right now. Yes. Yes, it is. I promise that this class will be hard. And you are welcome for that. The reason it's really important for us to have a hard class is because the only way that you get stronger at something is by doing hard things. And I will be with you here to help you through those. But yeah, I want to challenge you so that you can grow. It's like weightlifting. The only way that your muscles get stronger is by lifting weights that are heavy, that feel heavy to you. If all you do is lift balloons all day, you're not going to get any stronger. So I will provide activities that will make you grow as a mathematician. So there's that. People often think, but I'm not good at math. And honestly, that's usually weighted in the speed with which you can acquire new skills. And I want to say right now that that is not important in our class. Think back to when you were a baby. Some of you probably learned to walk when you were 8 months old. And some of you might not have learned to walk until you were 14 months old. And do you look at the kids who learned to walk when they were 14 months old and go, yeah, they're just not really a walking type person? No, you don't. You don't even know when your friends learned how to walk because the speed with which you learn a new skill doesn't even matter. Nobody cares. So that's true in math too. If it takes you a little bit longer than somebody else to learn a new skill, that's okay. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares. So whether you learn in a really quick fashion or it takes you a little bit longer, the goal is to learn math. If you learn math and you know it when you leave my class, then you're good. So, well, I really look forward to this year, and I will see you in class. Bye.